Sterling Machinery is proud to offer this 13-inch by 40-inch used Harrison engine lathe. This machine has a swing over bed of 13 inches with a distance between centers of 40 inches, a spindle nose of a D14 with a 1.5 inch hole through the spindle. This machine is capable of inch and metric threading and is in good running condition. The machine is equipped with a 3-jaw chuck, a Trav-A-Dial on the carriage, a coolant system, a splash guard, and is run by a 3-horsepower motor. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.